Hey, it's Toby Morrison, the founder of CFS Health, and I'm here with Sue John, all the way from UK, who suffered with chronic fatigue syndrome for a very long time. It's so great to have you here in Australia with us to do this interview. Sue, before you joined the program, what was life like?
Oh gosh, it was tough. I'd been ill for a very long time. I think it was 26 years. I became a mum in that time to two boys, and
Amazing boys.
yeah, amazing boys. Um, and yeah, it was hard being a mum and a nurse and a wife and a daughter. And it was tough not being able to do and live the life I had been living and wanted to continue to live and be what I felt at the time. It was tough not being able to be the best mum I could be, the best wife I could be, the best daughter. It was hard. Yeah.
Super challenging. When you joined the program, what changed? What changed for you?
I had clarity. I always had a belief that this wasn't going to be my life, but I didn't know what to do about it. When I joined the program, I had that knowledge. I had that direction. I could do something about it. Yes. I could take action, which often meant not taking action. But yeah, I felt empowered.
Did you have any hesitations? What were your hesitations before joining the program?
Financial. I think that was the biggest thing. And there was a point where I got mixed up about how much it was actually going to cost. I thought the monthly payment was for the 6 months. When I realised that wasn't the case and it was going to be 6 times as much, there was a little bit of okay. But that didn't last for long because I valued not just my health, but I valued my quality of life for myself and my family.
Are you glad you stayed?
Yeah, that's like a duh.
Do you think you'd be standing here today if you didn't stay?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
And tell us what's life like now?
Amazing. I have quality of life now. I'm a fuller person. My life is enriched now.
Yeah. And you jumped on a plane for 24 hours to come and hang out and do national park walks and have a great time with a great bunch of people.
Absolutely. And the people, oh my gosh. You know, Australia's amazing. I've never been to Australia before. Australia's amazing. Noosa's amazing. But the people... So in a meeting before we came, John asked me, how was I feeling about meeting you and the whole sort of retreat. I couldn't really put it into words because I was just interested to see what the energy and the vibe would be like. And now I can honestly say I was interested to see if I would like you and Ash and everybody else. Because, you know, being on Zoom,
online, it's
different.
different.
Being on Zoom, you know, now it's like, well, yeah, of course. But you don't know what it's going to be like in person. But, oh my goodness.
Did we pass the likeable test?
You passed the likeable test.
Thank God for that.
You passed the lovable test.
Oh, there we go. Stop it. It's too kind. You're living an amazing life now. You're actually giving back and helping other people get better, which is super, super cool. For those people who are sitting on the fence thinking about joining the program or looking for help, would you recommend this program and what would you say to those people?
Oh, I'd 100% recommend it. Just do it. Just value your health and your quality of life. Honestly, you can gain so much from this in ways you can't even imagine right now. It changes you as a person for the better in ways that you just have no idea at all.
You went from being in bed for most of the day, every day, as a mother, as a wife, to now, walking working, talking a lot. You do like a chat. You're living a full life, and it's just been incredible to watch your journey unfold over the last couple of years since I met you, and I just want to say a massive well done.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And thank you thank you for going through what you went through and for having this vision, because you have changed so many people's lives. So thank you from everybody.
Yeah. Thank you. You make me cry. Appreciate you.